What if I told you the Buddha, a master of profound insight, would have embraced artificial intelligence? Imagine Lao Tzu's teachings about effortless flow, Wu Wei, amplified not by quiet contemplation alone, but by the very technology we often fear is disconnecting us from our deepest selves. Today, step into a luminous realm where ancient wisdom fuses with digital consciousness. Let's explore how AI can actually deepen your meditation practice in ways our ancestors could only dream of, guiding you to an unprecedented level of personalized presence. Here's the profound paradox of our modern age. We carry more computing power in our pockets than NASA used to reach the moon. Yet we've never felt more scattered, more anxious, or more profoundly disconnected from our inner wisdom. This isn't just a feeling, it's a measurable reality. The average person checks their phone an astonishing 96 times per day. That's once every 10 minutes during waking hours, a constant barrage of notifications and demands on our attention. This relentless digital hum often feels like the antithesis of peace. We yearn for stillness, for a quiet mind, but our devices seem to pull us further away. Yet, what if, instead of being the problem, technology could become the most powerful bridge back to ourselves? What if the very tools that fragment our attention could be repurposed to unify our consciousness? Ancient sages like Lao Tzu spoke of Wu Wei, effortless action, flowing like water around obstacles, aligning with the natural rhythms of the universe. He taught that the highest wisdom comes not from forcing outcomes, but from surrendering to the inherent intelligence of life. This concept of effortless flow is central to many spiritual traditions, a state of being where action arises spontaneously from a place of deep alignment. Now, imagine this. What if artificial intelligence could learn your unique rhythms? Not just your daily schedule, but your subtle stress patterns, your energy cycles, your moments of resistance, and your moments of effortless flow. What if technology could become a wise, non-judgmental guide, helping you navigate back to that effortless state our ancestors sought through years of dedicated practice? This isn't science fiction. It's the emerging reality of personalized spiritual technology. In the cybernetic garden of modern meditation, AI systems are no longer just theoretical concepts. They are actively analyzing your unique physiological and psychological states in real time. These sophisticated algorithms can now interpret your heart rate variability, the subtle nuances of your breathing patterns, and even the micro expressions on your face to understand your emotional state with unprecedented accuracy. This isn't about surveillance, it's about self-discovery through data. Leading meditation apps like Headspace and Calm are already leveraging machine learning to craft meditation sessions that are dynamically tailored to your unique stress signatures. Imagine a system that knows when you're feeling overwhelmed and automatically suggests a grounding body scan, or when you're feeling sluggish and recommends an energizing breathwork session. Wearable devices, once mere fitness trackers, now monitor your nervous system responses, offering real-time biofeedback and suggesting precisely the practice you need in that very moment. But here's where the true profundity lies. This isn't about replacing human wisdom or the timeless teachings of spiritual masters. Instead, it's about amplifying it, providing a powerful new lens through which to view your inner world. Think of AI as a sophisticated mirror, reflecting your inner patterns back to you with an unprecedented clarity and objectivity. It reveals the subtle interplay between your thoughts, emotions, and physical responses, making the invisible visible. The Buddha taught that awareness is the first step to liberation, the foundational principle upon which all spiritual growth is built. Now, we have tools that can show us patterns we might never have noticed on our own. For instance, an AI could reveal how your meditation depth consistently changes with the lunar cycle, or how certain recurring thoughts consistently arise at specific times of day, perhaps linked to your circadian rhythm or daily stressors. This level of personalized insight was once the domain of only the most advanced practitioners, achieved after decades of rigorous self-observation. This is what we call digital dharma, using cutting-edge technology not as a distraction, but as a sacred tool to accelerate the very insights spiritual teachers have been pointing toward for millennia. It's about leveraging the power of data to deepen our understanding of consciousness itself, transforming abstract wisdom into tangible, actionable insights for personal transformation. Let's delve deeper into how timeless wisdom translates seamlessly into our digital age, revealing a surprising synergy. The Tao Te Ching, an ancient Chinese text, teaches us about the profound power of emptiness, how the space between the spokes makes the wheel useful, how the hollow of a cup makes it functional. It's the absence, the void, that gives form its purpose. This principle of intelligent emptiness is surprisingly applicable to AI-powered meditation. The algorithm doesn't seek to fill your mind with more content, more instructions, or more noise. Instead, it intelligently creates customized silence, a personalized void that adapts to exactly what your consciousness needs in each moment. It's about removing obstacles to your natural state of peace, rather than adding more layers. The AI learns what kind of emptiness allows your unique mind to settle most effectively, whether it's a gentle hum, a specific frequency, or simply the absence of external input. The Sufi mystic Rumi beautifully wrote, "Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love. It will not lead you astray." This speaks to the intuitive wisdom of the heart, the inner compass that guides us toward our authentic path. Remarkably, AI can now detect that strange pull, those subtle, often unconscious shifts in your physiology that indicate when you're moving toward or away from your authentic center. It can identify moments of genuine resonance versus moments of subtle resistance, guiding you back to your true north. Here's a practical example of this precision. Traditional meditation often employs one-size-fits-all approaches, assuming that what works for one person will work for another. But AI can learn that you respond better to nature sounds in the morning for grounding and binaural beats in the evening for deep relaxation. It discovers that your mind settles faster with the calming rhythm of 4-7-8 breathing on stressful days, but prefers natural breath awareness when you're already calm and centered. This level of dynamic adaptation was previously impossible. This is precision mindfulness, ancient wisdom delivered with surgical accuracy to your unique nervous system. It's about moving beyond generic guidance to a truly bespoke spiritual practice, one that evolves with you, understands your subtle shifts, and supports your journey toward deeper awareness with unparalleled personalization. It's the ultimate fusion of timeless truth and cutting-edge technology designed to unlock your highest potential. So, how do we practically integrate this powerful concept of digital dharma into our daily awakening? How do we harness these tools without becoming dependent on them? Here's your roadmap, a conscious approach to leveraging AI for deeper spiritual growth. First, choose AI-powered meditation tools as wise guides, not as infallible masters. Let them suggest, let them offer insights, but always maintain your inner authority and discernment. The goal isn't perfect data or algorithmic obedience, it's deeper self-awareness and a more profound connection to your own inner wisdom. Use the technology to inform your practice, not to dictate it. Start with just 5 minutes daily using an AI-guided session. Notice how the technology adapts to your responses. Pay close attention to which suggestions resonate deeply with your being and which feel forced or inauthentic. This critical self-observation is key. Second, use wearables and biofeedback devices as sophisticated mirrors, reflecting your inner state. When your device shows elevated stress levels or erratic heart rate variability, pause and ask yourself, what is my body trying to tell me right now? What emotion am I suppressing? The technology becomes a powerful doorway to ancient body wisdom, prompting you to listen to the subtle signals your own physiology is constantly sending. It's a prompt for deeper inquiry, not just a data point. Third, and perhaps most crucially, remember this fundamental truth. The most sophisticated AI, the most advanced algorithm, is still your own consciousness. Use digital tools to calibrate your inner compass, to fine-tune your awareness, but ultimately, trust that compass above all else. The technology is a means to an end, not the end itself. It's a support system for your journey, not the destination. The Buddha's final words, echoing through millennia, were, "Be a lamp unto yourself." In our rapidly evolving age, that lamp can be illuminated by both the timeless glow of ancient wisdom and the precise adaptive light of artificial intelligence. This fusion offers a path to self-mastery that is both deeply personal and universally accessible. When we approach technology not as a mere distraction, but as a sacred tool for awakening, we step into a new paradigm of spiritual practice. The question isn't whether AI will change meditation, it's whether we will consciously choose to use it to deepen our connection to the timeless wisdom that resides within each of us. This is an invitation to explore, to experiment, and to evolve our understanding of what it means to be truly present in the digital age. If this fusion of ancient insight and digital innovation resonates with your soul, if you're curious about the future of consciousness, then subscribe to our channel for more explorations in this cybernetic garden of awakening. And tell me in the comments below, would you trust AI to guide your meditation practice? What are your hopes or hesitations? Remember, whether guided by a human teacher, a sacred text, or a sophisticated algorithm, true peace always comes from within. Until next time, stay luminous, stay curious, and keep exploring the boundless depths of your own being.